Welcome to Factic. Today we are looking at the TCL QM6K Mini LED TV. This TV promises a bright and colorful display with deep contrast. It features TCL's advanced mini LED backlighting that boosts brightness and improves picture quality. It also includes quantum dot technology for better color accuracy and HDR support for more realistic visuals. If you love movies or gaming, this TV has everything to deliver an immersive experience. The QM6K also offers smooth and responsive performance for gamers. It supports a high refresh rate and features like variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode to reduce lag and motion blur. Plus, it runs on Google TV with a simple and user-friendly interface. You get access to tons of streaming apps and voice control with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So, is this the ultimate upgrade for 2025? Let's take a deep dive and find out. The TCL QM6K Mini LED TV is designed with a modern and sleek look. It features ultra-thin bezels that give it a premium appearance and help keep you focused on the screen instead of the frame. The metal build adds durability while maintaining a lightweight design. This makes it easy to mount on a wall or place on a stand without hassle. TCL has also included a cable management system in the rear panel to keep wires neat and organized. This ensures a clean setup without clutter. This TV comes with the latest Mini LED backlighting technology, which greatly improves brightness and contrast. It has thousands of dimming zones that adjust individually to create deeper blacks and reduce halo effects around bright objects compared to traditional LED displays. This provides a more balanced picture with better details in both bright and dark scenes. Whether you are watching movies, playing games, or streaming shows, the colors appear vibrant and lifelike thanks to quantum dot technology. This feature enhances the color spectrum, making reds, greens, and blues pop. With more accuracy, HDR performance is also a major highlight of the QM6K. It supports multiple HDR formats like HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HoloLED. These technologies optimize contrast and brightness dynamically to provide a more immersive viewing experience. Dolby Vision is especially useful for movie lovers because it enhances shadows and highlights, making scenes look more cinematic. TCL's powerful image processing engine further fine-tunes the brightness and colors in real time, based on the content you're watching. This ensures that every detail stands out. Whether it's a bright daytime scene or a dark night sequence, gamers will appreciate the high-performance features of this TV. It supports HDMI 2.1, which enables high refresh rates up to 144 Hz. This results in smoother motion with reduced blur, making fast-paced action games feel more responsive. It also includes variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode, which automatically adjusts the display settings to minimize lag and screen tearing. FreeSync Premium Pro support further improves gaming performance by eliminating stuttering and input delays. This makes the QM6K an excellent choice for both casual and competitive gamers as a smart TV. The QM6K runs on Google TV, which provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience. You get access to thousands of apps and streaming services, allowing you to watch your favorite content easily. It also supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can use voice commands to control the TV, search for content, or adjust settings without using the remote. With built-in Chromecast and Apple AirPlay 2, you can also stream videos and photos directly from your phone or tablet. Audio performance is another strong point of this TV. It features built-in speakers with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support, which create an immersive surround sound effect. The sound system delivers clear dialogue, strong bass, and rich spatial audio that enhances movies and gaming experiences. TCL's AI audio tuning optimizes the sound based on the type of content you are watching. If you want an even more powerful sound, you can connect a soundbar using the eARC port for a home theater experience. The TCL QM6K Mini LED TV is a fantastic option for those who want high-end picture quality, gaming performance, and smart features in one package. With Mini LED backlighting, quantum dot technology, and HDR support, it delivers an incredible viewing experience. The high refresh rate and advanced gaming features make it perfect for gamers, while Google TV and voice control ensure a smooth and convenient user experience. Plus, its solid build and sleek design make it a great addition to any home setup. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know if you think the TCL QM6K is the best TV of 2025, and don't forget to subscribe to Factic for more detailed reviews and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.